Do you struggle getting traffic? Well, TrafficX is a new launch coming on the 3rd of June, and in this video I'm going to show you a sneak peek of it, and I'm going to show you some of my tricks and ways of how I get some traffic to my launches and to my deals. Yeah? So stay tuned, guys. Hello and welcome to Building My Empire. I'm Jay Roberts and I share ways on how to make money online, as well as sharing my journey on building my empire, helping you to build yours. So this is TrafficX, guys, yeah? Basically, we can build the best product, the best offer in the world, but without traffic, we just ain't going to get them sales that we deserve, and more importantly, people are going to miss out on our stuff. So we need traffic. It's that simple, guys. Now, traffic is already out there. It's everywhere. We just need to direct them to our way, yeah? Some of the things I'm doing are, I go on Quora, yeah? And I'll answer people's questions. I will try and help them. I will try and share things that I've learned, share things that I've got and that. And while I'm doing it, guys, I will put my affiliate link to my offers, or to my site, to my latest videos, etc. That's what I do, guys, and I'll go on there daily and I'll answer, like I said, answer questions, answer as much as you can, and you try and be helpful. Basically, that's the end of the day, guys. You try and be helpful, and I'm not saying it's these ways what I'm going to show you, tell you about are the quickest ways, but they help, guys, and over time they bring in traffic. You start to see results. So another way what I do is I go into Facebook groups, and I go and basically do the same. I chat to people, I offer value if I can. I'll get to know them, basically. So then they start to see my face around the groups. They start to see my posts. They start to see my answers to other people's questions, and then they start checking you out, guys. Then, like with Quora, the more they see you and the more value you're giving, they'll start clicking on your profile and checking you out. And if you've got your links and your latest videos or your latest offers on your pages, they're going to start seeing them, guys, and then they're going to start clicking on them as well, because they think, oh, well, this guy knows his stuff, or he's been very helpful. He's not always trying to sell me things. So what I'll do, I'm going to go and check him out. And that's a good way, guys. And I do that with YouTube as well, guys. I'll go on to some of the videos what I'm interested in, or it's similar to the stuff I'm trying to promote or trying to make a video about, and I'll comment on the videos and answer more people's questions and that. I don't go spamming my link, because that's how you're going to get banned or kicked off or blocked or things like that. So you just go and give value, guys. And like I said, I do this daily. I don't do every single one every single day, but I try to do at least one or two of them every single day. And yeah, it works, guys. It's a slow process, but it definitely works. Basically, you're building trust up, yeah? And if they like you, you build trust and they like you, they're going to come and check your stuff out, guys, yeah? Is there a quicker way? Maybe. This is why we're going to check out TrafficX, guys. I'm new to this. I don't know much about it. I came across it today, which is Saturday the 1st of June. It gets launched on the 3rd of June at 9 AM Eastern Time. It's from a guy called Paul Nichols, who I'm actually following on Facebook, and yeah, he seems like a good guy, so I thought I'll check it out. There's no harm in that, guys. I need traffic, and while I'm looking at it, I'm going to share it with you guys. They're basically saying, because there's Paul Nichols and a guy called Anthony Macuso, sorry if I've got your name wrong, but I'm on his email list as well, guys. And yeah, I came across it, guys, and they're basically saying they've put together all of the best traffic secrets, all of the best traffic methods, and the traffic strategies, techniques, and secrets. Yeah, they've been using these methods and these techniques for years and years, and they've made tens of thousands of dollars, guys. So now they're going to share with us. Yeah, There is lots of training, from what I know, there's lots of training inside of TrafficX. They teach us how to do these ways and all about the ways. There will be free traffic methods and there will be paid traffic methods. The ones I showed you earlier, guys, they're all free traffic methods, but they can be a bit slow. So hopefully, when we've checked out TrafficX, the only things I'm showing you today is the things I can see, guys. So when I am going to buy this course, I think, because I do need traffic. But like I said, inside the course, there's tons of valuable training and secrets. So yeah, why not check it out? We can use these methods with our own affiliate products promotions. Sorry, we can use it to also help build our list. Yeah, so it's important to build an email list up, guys. So we can do that, and it can be used in any niche. They say. Now I'm in the make money online business niche. Hopefully it's definitely going to work for that, guys, because what I'm doing now. They say it's never been seen before. It's totally unique. The method is currently working now, so it's not like they've done it years ago and they just thought they'd sell that. No, they're actually still using that method now today. There's a huge untapped market, and it's a complete earning system. Yes, you're not going to need to buy other stuff on top of that, guys. I'm assuming so anyway. So it all sounds good, doesn't it, guys? But how much is it going to cost? Yeah, is it going to cost hundreds and hundreds? Is this how they're going to get us? So the front end is $12.95, yeah, on a dime sale, yeah. And it's saying in this all new video training course, your subscribers will discover 10 of our best kept traffic secrets. Traffic getting secrets, yeah? And inside there will be training, case studies, templates, and some of our best money getting secrets, guys, yeah? So that's in the front end. That's call it $13, guys. It's not much, is it? Now, if you were to pay $13 and this brought in 1 or 2 sales to your affiliate product promotions, yeah? Say, for instance, you start promoting this, guys, yeah? Through like launch jacking. If you start promoting this, you make 1 sale, you get 100% commissions on your first sale because it's through Warrior Plus. You're going to get that back straight away. You make 2 sales, you're in profit already. Yeah. So $13 is not nothing, is it, guys? Is it like so? The one-time offer, which is like once you've bought the product, you'll go to another page and they'll try and sell you something else, guys. Yeah. And this is where they make the money, went through things like this, because they give away the product for 100% commissions on the first lot, they're not making anything. So they need people to buy this, yeah? So the second one, the first one-time offer is $37, yeah? If you decide you don't want it, they're going to offer you it again for $27, guys, yeah? But that'll only be like a light version of it. It won't be the full version of the one-time offer, it'll be like a light version. And in the main course, your subscribers will learn how to get all the targeted traffic they need. In this done for you upgrade, we make things fail proof by providing access to our winning campaigns that are proven to make thousands and thousands of dollars. This is the biggest done for you package we've ever offered. That sounds very good, guys, doesn't it? So $27 to $37, not too much, guys. It sounds good, sounds very good, to be fair. One time offer 2 is a bit more steep now, guys. We keep talking money now. $197 for unlimited traffic. We are going to allow 50 people to siphon traffic directly from our sales page. That's not too bad, guys, because I know $197 is a lot, but if they're making loads of money through their sales page and you can siphon that, you could easily make that money back. Now that's worth a gamble, but I myself ain't going to buy that, yeah? Maybe that I could do. Definitely going to buy the first product, yeah, the front end. One time offer number 3, yeah, so that's $47, yeah. If you decide you don't want it, you can get it for $27. Yes, that's $20 off the price. But like I said, you're only going to get like a light version. You won't get all the things. And we're going to be revealing some of the best kept earning secrets like we've ever shared before. And if your subscribers are looking to 5 or 10x their earnings, this is going to be the perfect upgrade, guys. Yeah. And then number 4 is Super Affiliate Classroom. Now, wow, that's $397, guys. This is the big one. The hottest and most thorough super affiliate training on the web. This upgrade is limited and will show your subscribers how to earn those fat 500 to 1k per day paydays, guys. Now, for $397, if you can start earning 500 on the low end, yeah, you're gonna make your money back on more. If you use whatever they're teaching you and you do well, you're gonna double your money back, yeah, just off one sale. That sounds good. Number 5 is the reseller license, yeah. So it's 97. If you don't want it, you can get it for 47. And in this upgrade, your subscribers get the license rights to sell Supersonic as their own product. Supersonic. They made a mistake there, guys. They mean TrafficX, don't they? Get it as their own product and keep 100% of the commissions. So if you were to pay 97, yeah, or even $47, whichever you decide to go for, you get to sell that as your own. So where it says Paul Nichols or Anthony Mancuso and Paul Nichols, yeah, you could put your name there and you sell it as your own. So whatever you sell and you make, you're making 100%. So if someone was to go through if you bought that and someone was to go through this funnel, yeah, they bought the front end, you're going to get $13.95. But then if they buy one of these, you get that too, yeah. And they might not buy them all, but what happens if they bought that one? You get an extra 197. Now, what happens if they bought this one, 397? Yeah. Now, can you see if they end up buying them all, you're going to start making money. You're going to make money off the front end anyway. And if 5 to 10 people buy it, yeah, you've already made more than what it cost there, guys, haven't you? Yeah. So, yeah. So I've shown you the methods, guys, and I've shown you what I'm using, what I'm doing daily. But Quora, Facebook, yeah, it's working, and it's a slow process, but it's working. It's free, 100% free. Is TrafficX gonna help boost it? I kind of think so, guys. I'm gonna buy the front end definitely, yeah, for $13. I'm gonna buy the front end. What's the worst can happen? I'll lose $13, but look on the bright side, guys. It's gonna make me more than $13 because it's gonna bring traffic to my offers, yeah, and to my other affiliate pages and that, yeah. And it might even speed things up and be able to replace some of my other stuff, so I don't have to waste time on them, yeah. It's always a bonus, gives me more free time to do other stuff then. So the front end's quite cheap. There's no harm in trying anyway, guys, and it's helped them make tens of thousands of dollars. So bring it on, guys. Yeah, gets released on the 3rd of June, guys. Yeah, at 9 AM Eastern time. And if you decide to buy through my affiliate link, I'm going to give you some bonuses, guys, and the bonuses I'm going to give you are going to hopefully help towards this. So here's what the page will look like. Well, you'll click on a link on the description when you get to the page. It'll show you a link and it'll say access my products, so you can access your product there. But underneath that there'll be another button to press, and this is where you'll get access to these. And when you first click on the link, it'll land on this page here, guys, yeah. And then you just put your email in there, press subscribe, and it'll automatically send you to this page, yeah. And then you get a how to build squeeze page. So if you want to build one like this, yeah, a better one than this, guys. This is just a basic one. It'll show you how to make a good one, yeah. And then I'm also going to give you how to build a buyer's list, yeah, because you need those lists, yeah. And also I'm going to give you extra bonuses. Now in there's about 30 different bonuses, guys, all sorts of different bonuses. So you're going to find some stuff you like in there. You might not like it all, but there's definitely going to be something you like. And that's it, guys. This is TrafficX, and we all need traffic, guys. So check it out, guys. Yeah. Hopefully you found some value out of this, guys. I'm Jay Roberts, building my empire and trying to help you build yours. Follow these ways, guys, and we will build our empires together. Till next time, guys, thank you.